In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a pin on Pinterest. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've loaded up the Pinterest app, tap on the plus icon there at the bottom in the center. Then a menu will pop up. It says create pin or board. We want to create a pin, so we select pin. Then we want to select the image that we want to use for our pin. I'll select that one that looks good. Then all you need to do is give your pin a title. So I'll just write microphone, say something. I'll just type microphone again. Obviously you want to put some effort into your description. Then you can add a destination website if you want. You could link to an Amazon affiliate link to buy the microphone or whatever you want to do. And then you have the option of adding alt text. But then once you're happy with everything, tap on next at the top right hand corner. And then we'll also select a board. So you either select one of your previously made boards or you create a new board right over here. So I will create a new board. Then I'll name this board gear. And then I'll tap on create at the top right hand corner. And then it says that pin has now been saved to the board gear. So now I can go to my profile. And then you'll see the pin right here on my profile. And then you'll be able to see the stats and everything of it if you have a business account. So that's how you create a pin on Pinterest. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.